Hello friends, welcome to Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we have done up till part 100, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can download the website up till part 100. Okay, we have done so far, these are the admin panel features that we have done so far. We have done the admin management module, we have done the catalog management in which we have covered the categories, brands and products covered. We have done the coupons management in which we have done the coupons covered, and the pages management, balance management, and at the front we have done the home page, listing page, detail page, shopping cart, login and register. Just the checkout page is left, okay, that we are going to do very soon and going to finish this website. But now you can able to download these 100 video source code, means uh, you can download the source code up till the card page. Okay, so I will tell you that how you can download. You must join as a member, you must join as an advanced member at least. Okay, so here so you need to open the youtube.com/tech developers YouTube channel, and after that you can join as an advanced member. Okay, here there you can see the many membership level, and you must join as an at least as an advanced stack developer. Okay, so once you will join, you will get the credentials, and that credentials, see under video I have also given you the complete description, complete instruction that you can follow, okay, to join as well as run the website offline at your end. Okay, so you are just required to open the sidemakers.in website. After joining, you will get the credentials, and those credentials you are going to use to download the e-commerce website up till part 100. Okay, so you will get the credential. You just require to open the sidemakers.in website. After that you are required to log in with the credentials that I am going to provide. After login, uh, you are going to click on this download link. Okay, so once you will click on download link, here at the top you can see download e-commerce website in Laravel 11 with MongoDB part 1 to 100. Okay, so you are going to click on this, click here to download. So it will take few seconds downloading the source code. Okay, so in the meantime, see, if you have not got the see password, then this is the link. Okay, this is the join link, or you can simply open youtube.com/tech developers and you can join. Okay, and you can always send me the email, always send me the email at stack developers to get the username and password, stack developers 2 at the rate of gmail.com. This is my email id, stackdevelopers2 at the rate of gmail.com. I will verify your membership and will send you the credentials. Okay, so that you can able to download. Okay, you can send me message anywhere you want. Okay, after joining as a member, you can just comment me under video, or you can simply send me message in Facebook. Facebook.com/tech developers2 is the page for it, and you can send me the personal message as well, and that is the Amit G100. Okay, this is my id. Okay, you can for faster the process to get the username and password. Okay, so this is my id Amit G100. You can also send me the message there as well. Okay, so after you will get the credential, you are going to download this. Okay, and after downloading, see, you can check. So here we have downloaded, and you are just required to unzip this folder. Okay, simply unzip this folder, and see, I have given instruction as well. See how to run this MongoDB 11 project. Okay, so see, first download the zip file, and after that unzip in the docs folder. So we are going to take it to the docs folder. So we are going to create the project 11 underscore 100 database in MongoDB as well. So I'm going to open the MongoDB compass as well. Okay, so okay, so this download has been done. So I'm going to cut from here and move it to my XAMPP docs personal, and here I am going to keep this here. Okay, I'm going to remove the earlier and going to keep this folder here. Okay, so see, one second. Yeah, now it is working, so it is moving. So it is will take few seconds. Okay, so in the meantime, see MongoDB, here we are going to connect to the MongoDB. I hope that you know that how to install the MongoDB and everything. Otherwise you need to follow the series from the beginning. So here we are going to create the new database. and the database name must be uh, same like this, project 11 underscore 100, that I already configured in the project that you have downloaded. So in the beginning, you just give the test collection name and click on create database. Sorry, it's already there. I'm going to remove it. Okay, and then we'll create again. I have already tested with this, so that's why. So I have dropped it, and now I'm going to create with the same name, project 11 underscore underscore 100, and the collection name must be test. I'm going to create it. Okay, here we have got it. Okay, so also we are going to check that we are able to move the project. Yes, we are able to move, and I'm going to open this sublime, and this project I'm going to move this project there. So I'm going to verify that the database name must be project 11 underscore 100. Okay, it's fine, project 11 underscore 100. I'm going to verify in database.php file as well. Okay, and here also the name is project 11 underscore 100, so that is fine. We have already created project 11 underscore 100 database. So we are going to run now command php artisan migrate fresh seed command, so that it will create all the documents with data in our MongoDB. Okay, so we are going to run one final command here, services new terminal folder, and here we are going to run this command so that it will fetch the database with all the required tables. Okay, so you can see one by one it is creating the tables, and it is also uh, adding the data. See, everything has been done. Okay, so now we will check here as well. I'm going to refresh our database. Okay, uh, here I'm going to refresh the database here, one second. Yeah, from here. So see, all the tables have come up, all the collections have come up here. Okay, so finally we are going to run the final command, and that is we are going to run the project with php artisan serve command, and we will right click once again, services new terminal folder, and here we are going to run php artisan serve command to verify that our project, sorry, it's uh, do you want to serve? Yes. Okay, so I see, this is the benefit of Laravel 11. See, or it auto spell. Oh, okay, so it corrects your spell. Okay, so now see, now our project is running, and I'm going to test it. Now going to see that our project is running, Laravel 11 e-commerce project with MongoDB. Yes, it is running. You can see it is working fine. So our project is finally running, and limited categories as well as the products we able to show here. Okay, so you can always go to its admin panel and can increase and can add more products, and you are just required to open that admin login, and we are going to verify the admin panel as well. Yes, it is working as well, admin at the rate of admin.com, and password is 123456. Okay, so the username of the admin is admin at the rate of admin.com, and password is 123456. Okay, keep remember this, and you can able to download, and you can see the complete admin panel is working here. Okay, you can add the categories from here. See, we are already having few of the categories, and we have already having one brand, and we have already having the few products. Okay, you can add the attributes for the products from here. Like if you will go to the detail page, here you can see the sizes are not there, images are not there, that you can add from the edit panel. Okay, so here like you can able to add the product attributes for any of the product. Okay, so like I'm going to add one of the attribute here. Okay, like this I'm going to add the attribute, and here I'm going to refresh, and now you can see that one of the size have been added. Going to add, yes. Okay, you can just select the size and click on add to cart to see your product in cart. Yes, I'm going to click on view cart, and you can see the product is now in cart. Okay, so we have done up till here. Like if you are going to click on checkout is not working right now because we have not done that checkout, but the login register will also work. Like if you will try to login, like try to sign up with the new account, you can able to do that. Okay, so everything will work fine up till card page. Okay, and we will continue this series and we'll work on the checkout page as well. So if you want to get the source code up till card page, you can simply join as an advanced member after clicking on join link in Stack Developers YouTube channel. just go to advanced tech developer here, join, and then you can able to get the complete source code up till part 100. Okay. So and if you will find any trouble, I will surely help you. Okay, after joining as a member, I will make sure that you will not stuck anywhere. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.